everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating this corner shelf. Come on with me, guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Clean and Decorate Open Collaboration, and this is being hosted by myself, Simply Grace Lifestyle, or I usually use my main channel, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now recently joining me in this collaboration is Debbie Bubbles. Now this is normally an area I don't get a chance to get to, so I thought I'd go ahead and decorate it. We still have a month of summer, guys, so I'm gonna make it fun. Now as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. Now I'm gonna go ahead and lead you to a little bit of music as I go ahead and wipe everything down on the shelf and then go ahead and redecorate it. So I'll see you in and out of the video. Now also remember to head on over to my community tab because there I have already posted the calendar of collaborations for the month of August. Now I am almost done here, and we're going to head on over to the reveal. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.